When it comes to door installation in Houston, whether you're replacing an old door or installing a new one, ensuring the job is done correctly is crucial for your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall aesthetic. Many homeowners, however, make mistakes during the installation process that can lead to costly repairs, inefficiency, and frustration. In this article, we'll highlight some of the most common door installation mistakes and provide tips on how to avoid them, ensuring your doors last longer and function properly. Choosing the wrong door size is one of the most common mistakes homeowners make, is selecting a door that isn't the correct size for the opening. A door that's too small will leave gaps around the frame, compromising insulation and security. On the other hand, a door that's too large will require trimming, which can lead to misalignment and improper fitting. How to avoid it? Before purchasing a door, measure the door frame accurately. Be sure to measure the width, height, and thickness of the opening. When buying a door, consider professional guidance to ensure you select the right size. Custom doors are also an option if you have an unusually sized door opening. Improper door frame installation. A door frame is the backbone of a door installation. If the frame isn't installed properly, the door won't hang straight and may not operate smoothly. This can lead to issues such as difficulty in opening or closing, air leaks, and even damage to the door over time. How to avoid it? Make sure the door frame is square, level, and plumb before securing it into place. Hiring a professional installer can ensure that the frame is positioned correctly and is aligned properly. If you are attempting the installation yourself, double-check all measurements and use a level to verify alignment before securing the frame. Poor insulation and sealing. Doors are one of the primary entry points for air leaks in your home. Poor insulation and sealing can lead to energy inefficiency, which can increase your utility bills. In Houston, where summers can be brutally hot, improperly sealed doors can allow hot air to seep into your home, making your cooling system work harder. How to avoid it? When installing a door, ensure that the weather stripping is applied correctly to seal any gaps around the door. Pay attention to the threshold and the edges where the door meets the frame. For added energy efficiency, consider doors with built-in insulation or use spray foam insulation around the door frame to prevent air leaks. Skipping the proper hardware. Choosing the wrong hardware or failing to install it correctly is another common mistake. Hardware such as hinges, handles, and locks plays a crucial role in the functionality and security of your door. If hardware is installed poorly or mismatched, the door may not operate smoothly or could pose a security risk. How to avoid it? Ensure that you use high-quality hardware that is designed for your specific door type and weight. The number and placement of hinges are essential to the door's operation, so make sure they are installed correctly. If you're not confident about your ability to install hardware, consider hiring a professional to handle this part of the job. Improper door swing direction. A door's swing direction is another important consideration. Installing a door with the wrong swing direction can make it difficult to use, waste space, or even cause safety hazards. It's crucial to determine whether the door should swing inwards or outwards based on the layout of your room and the specific needs of your space. How to avoid it? Before installation, carefully plan the direction in which the door will swing. Consider how you will use the space around the door and where furniture or other objects are placed. For example, a door swinging outwards might be more practical for a small room, while an inward swinging door might be better suited for larger spaces. Neglecting security features. While aesthetics and functionality are essential, security should always be a top priority when installing exterior doors. Failing to install a high-quality lock system or neglecting additional security measures such as a peephole or security camera can leave your home vulnerable. How to avoid it? Choose a door with a robust security system in place, such as a deadbolt lock or a reinforced frame. Additionally, consider installing additional security measures like a smart lock or a security camera system. It's always better to invest in high-quality security features up front rather than risking potential break-ins down the line. Rushing the installation process. Many homeowners, especially those who are installing the door themselves, rush through the process. This can lead to cutting corners, misalignment, and improper installation. In the end, this can lead to costly repairs and replacements. How to avoid it? Take your time to ensure each step of the installation is done correctly. If you're unsure about any part of the process, don't hesitate to consult with or hire a professional. The extra time and investment will pay off in the long run by ensuring a properly functioning and secure door. Conclusion. Door installation in Houston is an important task that can impact your home's security, energy efficiency, and overall appearance. By avoiding common mistakes like selecting the wrong size, improper frame installation, and neglecting proper insulation, you can ensure that your doors function effectively and last for many years. Whether you decide to do the installation yourself or hire a professional, attention to detail is key to avoiding costly mistakes and enjoying a well-installed door.